Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you're all doing good. So this is Trading Coach this side, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to use TradingView for free of cost. Alright. So there are a couple of ways we can use the TradingView platform, but before we get into the topic, I would like to give a quick intro to TradingView. So TradingView is one of the one of the wonderful charting platforms which is used by most of the professional traders. And this charting tool is much better than the charts which are offered by our brokers. All right. Say for example, if you want to backtest your trading strategy, or let us say if you want to add any extra indicators, or let us say if you want to study the price action directly, or if you want to get a proper visual appeal to trade the markets, TradingView offers everything in one package, just in one particular in one particular spot. So it has a lot of different features. It has a stock screener, it has spine editor, it has strategy tester. You can test your own trading strategies. It also has a good trading panel. So you can directly trade from here with your broker. If your broker is tied up with TradingView, of course. And you can also access the watch list. You can also access, all the news and all the different, alerts and things like that from this particular trading platform. But unfortunately, most of the traders cannot access or cannot pay for the premium version of TradingView because it's very costly. So if you want to access the complete futures, and if you want to access the complete tools and complete all the plugins and everything which is given by TradingView, I think you have to pay quite a sum of money. So I will just show you the actual subscription cost for this particular platform in a moment. So as you can see, so let me just go to the just check out the pricing. All right. So in case if you haven't tried TradingView before, I recommend you to check it out. They also have a basic version. All right, they have a free basic version over here. So it's absolutely free of cost. You can sign up for free and you can get the free basic version of this charting platform. On the other hand, if you want to access all their premium tools, all their premium futures and everything, like if you want to get all their key benefits, then what you have to do is you have to pay. Actually, like it's going to cost you some money. Say for example, if you want to access the the basic pro version of this particular charting tool, you have to pay somewhere around $15. And if you want to access the Pro Plus version, you have to pay somewhere around $30. And if you want to get all the high package charting tool, then you have to pay somewhere around $60. Typically the problem is not many traders can afford this. So most of the traders are asking me like, can I use the free version of TradingView? Is there any free to use TradingView for free of cost? Well, the answer is yes, you can use TradingView for absolutely free of cost. So you can check out their free basic version over here. So all you have to do is just go to try free basic. When you click on the try free basic, you just have you have to just give your email ID and you have to directly sign up for this particular trading platform. On the other hand, the problem with the free version is that you will not get intraday time frames. All right. Say for example, if I want to check out something like Bank Nifty, all right, if I want to take a look at the price action of Bank Nifty on lower time frames, let's say for example something like 5 minutes or 15 minutes, it's going to be a little delayed. All right. Say what happens is you will not get the data in real time. Okay, so say for example, in the current market, let's say at the present moment in the current market, if the price of Bank Nifty is 37,907, then in TradingView it's going to be a 15 minutes delayed. It's not going to show you the same price. You will get a kind of a different price over here. All right. So that's the major problem with this particular platform. So the data feed which you are going to access, it's going to be a little delayed. It's not going to be a real-time basis if you are using a basic free version of this charting tool. But apart from that, everything else you're going to get from this particular charting platform is wonderful. All right. So if you're an intraday trader, if you're someone who do day trading in the markets, then the problem is if you're using something like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or something like 1 minute and 3 minute time frame, it's going to be a little difficult because you're not going to get access to the real-time data. All right, the data is going to be a little delayed. So when you look at the TradingView and if you compare that to the brokerage platform, the charting tool which is offered in your brokerage platform, both are going to be a little different. The reason for that is, the TradingView, the price feed or the price data on the TradingView is actually a little delayed. All right. So people are asking me like, is there any solution for this? So when I'm using TradingView like this, is there any way I can get the real-time data on TradingView? Is there any better way to use TradingView platform? Well, the answer is yes. There is a good alternative way we can use the TradingView platform, and we can get access to the real-time data, especially if you're a day trader or intraday trader. But unfortunately, that requires a different website altogether. I will just show you the way in a couple of minutes. But before I do that, I just want to give you a quick update. So I am Trading Coach this side, and this is my YouTube channel. So in case if you haven't, subscribed to my channel, I recommend you to click on the subscribe button so that you can get access to more insightful trading lessons and more insightful videos just like these. And I have already uploaded a lot of videos over there. So make sure to check out my trading lessons and my trading videos. And I also have a free price action trading course. So make sure to check out our free price action trading course exactly on the channel. All right. You can also visit my website. My website is www.tradingcoach.co.in. So you can just click on the website link on my YouTube image over here. You'll be taken to my website. Here I have all the different resources that is necessary for you to become a successful trader, right? So we have free price action trading course, we have free trading book, we also have a collection of our trading videos over here. And apart from that, you can also access to our latest post. Every time whenever I analyze any particular stock or any particular indices, I usually write about that in my actual website. So you can study my articles, my contents, everything over here. Okay. So being said that, I don't want to waste any further time. So let us just directly go into the, let us talk about the alternative way of using the TradingView platform. Okay. All right. So we are going to discuss about a website called as investing.com. So this is the website which I'm going to use. And in case if you are new to this website is just like TradingView, but here what they have done is they have tied up with TradingView. Their charting tool is actually connected with TradingView so that you can access all the important futures that you get on TradingView for absolutely free of cost on this particular website. All right. Say for example, if I want to access their charting platform, all I have to do is I just have to go to the investing.com website and I have to click on the live charts over here. So once I click on the live charts, I'll be taken to this particular platform over here. You can see the platform, right? So this futures that you see here, right? You can see this is the basic futures, but it looks just like the TradingView platform. Okay. So I can just make a little bit modifications here. I can just go to the full screen mode and I can also hide the watch list a little bit. So here you can see I can access the full screen version of the chart and I can almost look at any particular instruments. All right. Say for example, if I want to access something like Nifty, all I have to do is just type Nifty 50. All right. I can see all the different time frames. All right. So I can look at 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, all the way till 1 month time frame. So this is the charting tool which I use in most cases. If I don't have access to, the pro version or the premium version of TradingView, I often come to this investing.com charting tool and this is what I usually use. All right. So this is a very free as well as a basic version of the TradingView charting tool, but the only difference is these guys usually offer the real-time data. So something that's happening in the real market, if something is happening on the real-time data feed, you can see it directly on the charts over here. So whatever prices you are going to see on your brokerage platform, that prices are going to be same on this particular charting tool as well. Okay, so this particular charting tool comes directly from investing.com. But even if it comes directly from investing.com, right, this is something that's actually powered by TradingView. So this particular platform, this charting tool that you see here is actually integrated from TradingView. So let me show you this. Okay, so let me just click on this camera icon over here and it's just loading. Let it load for a while. All right, so let me just copy this and let me paste it on a new tab. So you can see what happens here. All right. So you can see the the snippet over here, right? That says published on investing.com, 7th August 2022. And you can see it says that it's powered by Tradingview. So typically it's the same platform, all right. So typically this platform that you see here also belongs to Tradingview, but investing.com is offering it for free of cost to its users, all right. Say if you want to access real-time data feed, if you're an intraday trader and if you want to use a kind of a more friendly platform and more basic version of Tradingview, that too for free of cost, you can directly use this investing.com platform, okay. And apart from that, like in case if you're a swing trader, or let us say if you're a kind of a positional trader, you can directly use the Tradingview platform. There is nothing wrong in using the Tradingview platform, even though the data will be delayed for 4 minutes or 5 minutes. If you're a swing trader, or let us say if you're a positional trader, you'll be using higher time frames, right? So you'll be looking at time frames like 2 hours, and you'll be looking at time frames like 3 hours, which is not going to be much of a problem, even if the data feed is little delayed. On the other hand, if you're a kind of an intraday trader, if you're someone who do very, very short term and intraday trades, then maybe instead of using Tradingview, you can use this investing.com platform, where you can get access to the live real-time market data even on lower time frames, okay. Being said that, there is only one problem with this investing.com platform, that is you cannot backtest any particular trading strategies, because they don't have any backtesting option, just like what you get in Tradingview over here. So if you are someone who's a little bit into coding, and if you are someone who's a little bit into strategy backtesting and things like that, then maybe if you want to test your strategy on intraday basis, let's say you are a day trader, you designed a particular strategy and you want to test that strategy on intraday basis, then the problem is Tradingview offers you that solution, but you won't find that on investing.com, all right, because investing.com offers only the basic version of Tradingview platform, that too for free of cost, okay. So if you want access to all the features, then what I usually recommend is just go ahead and subscribe for the basic pro version of Tradingview platform. It's going to cost you somewhere around, I guess, $12 to $13 something per month if you take annual package. They have discount if you take yearly annual package. On the other hand, what you can do is, in most cases, if you are just a normal trader, if you're not a kind of an algo trader, or if you're not someone who's very much into this strategy backtesting, if you're a discretionary trader just like me, then you can focus more on the investing.com platform to take to do lower time frame price action analysis or things like that, okay. So that's it for today's lesson, and I hope you found this video a little helpful, and I hope this helped you a little bit in solving this question. So how do I use Tradingview for free of cost? So one thing is you have access to their basic version. Second thing is you have access to this investing.com platform. So if you're a kind of a swing trader or positional trader, you can keep sticking with Tradingview free basic version. On the other hand, if you're a kind of an intraday trader who want access to real-time data feed, you can use investing.com platform, which will give you the same Tradingview software for almost free of cost with real-time data feed, okay. So thanks a lot for watching, folks. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, kindly click on the like button. It will give me a motivation to create more videos just like these. And last but not least, thanks a lot for watching, and happy trading.